Credit Capital Builders, established in 2017, is your trusted partner in securing the funding your business needs to thrive. With our extensive network of thousands of banks and partners, we offer unparalleled access to capital and credit repair services tailored to your unique business needs. In 2024, the small business landscape has seen unprecedented growth and opportunity. The Small Business Administration, SBA, provided a record $56 billion through more than 100,000 small business financings in fiscal year 2024, the most in over 15 years. This surge in lending demonstrates the robust support available for entrepreneurs like you. At Credit Capital Builders, we're committed to helping you navigate this favorable lending environment. Our services include business funding solutions. We connect you with the right lenders to secure the capital you need. In FY 2024, SBA-backed loans saw remarkable growth. 5,200 loans totaling $1.5 billion to Black-owned businesses, 9,600 loans amounting to $3.3 billion for Latino-owned businesses, 15,500 loans worth $5.6 billion to majority women-owned businesses. Our expertise ensures you're positioned to benefit from these expanding opportunities. The fintech industry, for example, received $50 billion in investments per year as of recent data. With 8,775 fintech startups in the United States, we're equipped to help you stand out in this competitive landscape. At Credit Capital Builders, we're dedicated to your success. With the small business sector employing more than 61.6 million people across 33.3 million businesses, we understand the vital role you play in the economy. Let us help you join the ranks of successful entrepreneurs who are driving economic growth and innovation. Don't let funding obstacles hold your business back. Partner with Credit Capital Builders today and unlock the full potential of your enterprise in this dynamic business environment.